Okay.
G1. So I joined G1 because of my son.
Okay, alright.
He asked me to play his deck. And then okay, I tried his deck.
Alright.
Then somehow I managed to get qualified to top 8.
So what is your son's deck?
He was upset because I played his deck. Then he got the deck was sealed.
Okay.
For the final.
So sad.
Tak boleh pakai. So he was so upset. So I have to build the same deck at that time. Then that he played, but the deck is very new.
Okay.
It need to be a bit used, not trained yet. So he couldn't manage to get a top 8.
So bapak dia seorang hilang.
Yeah,